I wanted to create purely tech video this morning, but something struck my mind. I'm feeling kind of bad, yes, this morning because a lot of things have changed on Amazon KDP in the recent time. This is 2024. I'm speaking to you right now on November 4th, 2024, and I feel more changes is going to come in future in Amazon KDP. And I don't want you as a beginner to make certain mistakes that will make your heart to be heavy or get you depressed. All right. So, number one thing you have to know, one advice I'm giving to beginners on the platform is this. Number one, please ensure that the book you want to publish on Amazon KDP is free from plagiarism. Amazon KDP don't joke with that in the recent time. They're being so strict about it. And any new account on Amazon KDP now is being scrutinized before you are allowed to publish a book there. So it's a big issue. I'm feeling bitter and my heart is heavy this morning because of a mistake a friend made. Yes, I coached her on Amazon KDP, told her what applies there, what to do, what not to do. Which among them is this plagiarism? I told her, don't copy anything from the web and try to publish there. I gave her a title to go and write about. She finished writing the book and told me she is done. I said, I hope everything is in order as I told you, as I taught you at the beginning. She said, yes. I never bothered to scan the book for plagiarism because you told me everything is said, everything is okay, both the image aspect of it. And we went ahead and published the book. The ebook went live because we published the ebook followed by paper and hardcover within 20 minutes. Yes. Okay. So after that, the ebook went live because sometimes the people that are in charge of ebooks they don't really check plagiarism when compared with paper and hardcover. All right, it went live. Then we waited for the paper and hardcover to go live. And after I think about 2 days, we got a message from Amazon KDP that they couldn't publish the paper and the ebook because they found some content in that book that are freely available on the web. I got across to her. I asked her. I think they told me that everything is set. You didn't pick anything from the web as I asked you. He said, yeah, you just few things I picked at the ending part of it. I copied from the internet and I just put it inside. I was like, why did you not tell me? We scanned the book, I then scanned the book with my plagiarism tester, and I found out that 60% of that book were freely available on the web. What an insult! It's an insult to me because I can't tell you what to do as an experienced somebody in the system and you go against that. Why did you not tell me? So after that, we like, okay, no problem. We unpublished the ebook that went live already because I know that with time they will come for that ebook. We unpublished it. Then after unpublishing the ebook, I was like, okay, what do we do next? I contacted Amazon KDP. All right, block the paper and the hardcover so that we can reedit the manuscript and send across. They said no. So they put it in review mode perpetually, the paper and hardcover. They said we can create another book. She can create another book. I'm like, okay. I asked her, all right, go and create another book. She created another book. I tried publishing that book. That book was blocked after being in review for 3 days. It was blocked. So, what happened in this case is that because of that first publication that had error, plagiarism error issue, any book published on that account gets scrutinized, seriously scrutinized, and we hardly go live. So avoid plagiarism as a beginner. Amazon is becoming so strict in that. If you want to succeed, if you don't even want to take other things I'm going to talk about in this video, this number one should be avoided. Up till now, we are still pushing. All right, I'm brainstorming on what to do to get this solved because we later pushed another book and that was it was blocked as well. They said, what was the excuse they gave? Disappointing customer experience. But I know it's not really that disappointing customer experience. It's because the first book on that account have already had issue. So that monitoring the account, anything there will be monitored. So it's just for time. I will try again. Maybe I'll contact the support and see how we are going to tell them to review the accounts and give them reasons why they should allow the book go live. So we are working on that actually. But I don't want you as a beginner to make this mistake because it's painful to write a book and at the end it gets blocked. You don't want just to write a high content book. So don't make that mistake as a beginner, please, because it will end up frustrating you out of the system. All right, the second advice I'm giving to you as a beginner or someone that wants to start Amazon KDP is this: be mindful of bad information marketers. Yes, they are everywhere. In this country, Nigeria, in fact, they are the one spoiling the Amazon KDP business for us. How can somebody be marketing a course or will I say a product on Facebook and he will tell you should join his Telegram group, and when you join the Telegram group, they will give you 1,500 ebooks to publish on Amazon KDP. What kind of nonsense is that? The same 1,500 ebooks they will give to you is the same 1,500 ebooks they will give to another person. The same 1,500 books they will give to another person. Then at the end, you end up publishing the book, or another person publishes the book, and they will get your account terminated or block those books. Once Amazon KDP keeps blocking your book and they're tired of blocking your book because you're going against your rule, the next boot step they're likely to take is to terminate your account. So don't listen to those guys. Some people are just after the small money they get from you, and then they don't care about the danger they are putting your account into. They don't care about the danger they are putting you into because when your account gets terminated, it will affect you here. You start thinking too much. You'll be depressed in some cases. So be mindful of those bad information marketers on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. X everywhere, they're everywhere, especially in this country, Nigeria. I don't know about our other places. In this country, Nigeria, these guys are misleading a lot of beginners. So if you see such adverts on Facebook, do not listen to them. They want to be in trouble because your account may end up getting terminated after they gave you all the 1,500 ebooks and you end up publishing the same thing with another person. Please be mindful of that. Okay, be mindful of that. That after your money, those guys, some of them don't even know anything about Amazon KDP. They just compiled rubbish and they're selling to you. Okay, the next advice I'm giving to you, the advice number three, is keep your titles and your subtitles simple. All right, don't try to pick keywords from different places, jam them up into one title or subtitle because you want your book to be seen when people search for it on Amazon. Please keep that simple, okay? Don't make it complex because if you make it complex, Amazon will end up telling you that it is misleading their potential customers and they will end up not publishing that book. Okay, keep everything simple and straight to point. All right. Then, in terms of book cover, have a good book cover. If you can't design, give the project to somebody to design for you. Okay, that will help your book to sell. The next point is the back end keyword section. It's not a must that you fill all those seven boxes. Fill the relevant keywords that relates to the title. It's not a must you fill all the boxes because if you try filling all the boxes, the back end keyword section, the seven boxes, if you try filling everything, you may end up repeating the same thing over and over and over and over again, and that is what they call keyword stuffing, and KDP is against that. So fill the relevant keywords and move on. Then don't overprice your book as a beginner, please. If you are publishing in the paper format, if you have royalty of $4 or $3 is enough for you as a beginner. What is more important is that your book gets sales. With time, you can increase the price. Okay, these are my piece of advice for you this morning. If you like content like this, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we discuss a lot which covers technology, self-publishing, and YouTube education. Alright? So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this video. Is it helpful or you need something more? And hit the like button, the one that points up like this, so that YouTube will recommend this content to more people, so that people don't make mistake in their journey of making money online. To learn on everything more to grow on Amazon KDP, consider watching this video here. Thank you and see you some other time.